Have you ever wished you had a secret weapon to make information stick, organize your thoughts effortlessly, and understand complex topics with surprising clarity? Imagine a tool that transforms your notes into a vibrant, easy-to-recall picture. The easy steps to draw a study mind map involve starting with a central idea, branching out into main topics, adding keywords and images, and then connecting these elements to build a comprehensive visual representation of your subject. This method helps your brain process and retain information much more effectively than linear notes. Mind mapping works because it taps into your brain's natural way of thinking, known as radiant thinking. Instead of processing information in straight lines, your brain makes connections and associations in a web-like pattern. A mind map mimics this structure, allowing you to link ideas visually and intuitively, which significantly boosts memory recall and comprehension. To begin, place your main topic or concept at the very center of your page, perhaps in a small circle or as a simple image. This is your central idea. Next, draw main branches extending outwards from this central idea, like the spokes of a wheel. Each main branch represents a key subtopic or chapter related to your central subject. For each main branch, write just one or two keywords that summarize that subtopic. Avoid full sentences. Think of the most concise word that triggers the memory of the larger concept. Then, add smaller sub-branches extending from your main branches, each with its own keyword or phrase to detail further information. Enhance your mind map by incorporating colors, symbols, and simple drawings. Use different colors for different branches to categorize information or to stimulate visual memory. A small drawing or icon next to a keyword can convey a lot of information and make the map more engaging and memorable. This visual language helps to activate more parts of your brain. Finally, draw connecting lines between different branches where ideas relate, even if they are on separate main branches. This process, sometimes called nonlinear organization, helps you see the bigger picture and understand the relationships between different pieces of information. Regularly reviewing and adding to your mind map reinforces learning and helps solidify your understanding. By using this process, you are engaging in radiant thinking, which is a powerful way to generate ideas and organize complex information efficiently. Mind maps are incredibly versatile and allow you to break down overwhelming subjects into digestible, interconnected chunks. This active approach to learning transforms passive reading into dynamic understanding, making study sessions more productive. Ultimately, drawing study mind maps makes learning an active, engaging, and highly personalized experience. It helps you remember complex information, organize your thoughts, and see how different ideas connect, leading to improved understanding and greater confidence in your study results.